Let's look at how to create 2D drawings of a 3D model. There are several ways to create a new drawing, but the easiest is to select New Drawing from Design in the File menu dropdown. This dialog box opens. Here you can switch the drawing format between ASME and ISO styles. You can switch the units between inches or millimeters. And you can change the drawing sheet size for the upcoming drawing. Sheet size can be changed after you create a drawing, but the drawing format and units cannot be changed in the drawing workspace, so make sure those are set the way you want them. You can also decide if you want to document the whole model or if you want to use only part of the assembly. If I select components on the model or in the browser, using Control-click to add multiple parts, those components will get included in the drawing. For this example, though, I want to use the whole assembly. I'll click OK to begin, and the drawing workspace opens. A base view of the model is attached to my cursor, and I'm prompted to select a location for it. I'll click towards the top left of the space, and I'll leave the base view properties just how they are for now. Then I'll click OK. Now I want to add some projected views of the model. Projected views take the properties of the base view and display the model from a different angle. I'll select Projected View at the top, then select my base view to use it as a parent. And if I drag that view around the drawing, it automatically positions itself as a different type of view, depending where it is in relation to the base view. I'm going to click once to place a bottom view. I'll click again to place a side view over here. And when I'm done placing views, I'll press Enter. I can modify the properties of any view by double-clicking it. This view automatically inherited the properties of the base view I used as a parent, but I can change those at any time. I'm going to switch this side view so that it shows hidden lines. You can see that all hidden lines are now displayed in that view. I'm going to go over to the bottom view, and in this view I'm going to show tangent edges, and I'm going to set them to full length. The view automatically updates. I want to add another view to my drawing. I could create another projected view, but I can also create a second base view by clicking Base View. I want this view to be an isometric, so I'm going to change the orientation to northeast isometric. I'll place it here, and I'm going to change the scale to make this view a little bigger. I'll change the scale from 1 to 2 to 1 to 1, and press OK. I'm going to create one more view, this time a detail view, to show all those hidden lines in the side view a little better. I'll click Detail View at the top, select the parent view, then select the center point for the area I want to magnify. I'll click again to specify the edge of the boundary, then click once more to place the view. I'll change the scale of this view to 2 to 1, then press OK, and I'll get a detail view scaled at 2 to 1, with a boundary showing on the parent view. I'm going to move my views around a bit so that detail view isn't encroaching so much on the other views. If you click any view, you can use those gray grips to move them around the drawing space. And that's how you can create 2D drawings of a model in the Drawings workspace. Take a look at video number 2 to learn about adding annotation to a drawing.